Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now when you're launching the eFootball 2027 game on your phone and you're getting this error, server maintenance underway, then you don't have to worry about it because there is a season update maintenance period from 12th August 2026 to 13th August 2026. Services will resume sequentially by area once the maintenance ends. So you don't have to worry about it. Many of the players are facing this issue. Just wait for the server maintenance to get complete and then you can check back later. So if you check the Konami website, you can see over here season update maintenance. We will be carrying out a large scale maintenance. During this maintenance, online services will not be available. Users may still play an exhibition match or conduct training. Maintenance period time and date is from 12th August 2026 to 13 UTC to 13th August 2026 to 8 UTC. Services will be resumed sequentially by area once the maintenance ends. So you can't do anything to fix this problem. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. I will provide this link in my video description so you can easily read this season update maintenance. Now in Google Chrome, if you find eFootball 2027 server status and if you search for it, then you can see the AI overview. eFootball 2027 servers are mostly back online following the major seasonal update and scheduled maintenance that concluded around 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on August 13, 2026. However, Konami is monitoring minor data related issues and rolling out live fixes as needed. So you can see over here there is a server and maintenance details. Maintenance completion ended August 13, 2026 at 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. But still many users are facing this server maintenance underway issues. So kindly wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.